Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm showing you how to withdraw funds from your SafePal wallet to your bank account in 2025, turning your crypto into cash the easy way. So SafePal doesn't connect directly to banks, so we will bridge it with an exchange. So first, open the SafePal app, works with the software wallets or pad S1 hardware. Log in, hit wallet, and pick the crypto you want to cash out. Like Bitcoin, the crypto that everyone knows about. After that, check your balance. You'll need enough for fees too. Head to send on the asset page. We're transferring this to an exchange next. Step 2, pick a trusted exchange with fiat withdrawals like Binance or Coinbase. In their app, grab your deposit address for that crypto, copy it tight. Back in SafePal, paste that address, enter the amounts, and double check the network. So hit send, confirm with your PIN or hardware, and wait, usually minutes to an hour. Guys, now in crypto exchange, go to support wallets, find your crypto and sell it for fiat. USD, CAD, whatever your bank takes. Add to withdraw, select bank account, and add your bank details if it's new, IBAN or account number, then enter the amounts. After that, guys, it takes 1 to 3 days to hit your bank. And that's it, guys. That's how you withdraw from SafePal to your bank, check your wallet, send to an exchange, convert to fiat, and cash out. Drop your story below if you have one, like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you next time.